before we get to the video, I would just like to say, make sure you drop a like on this video if it helps you out, and make sure to subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. Maybe check out some of my other content. I'm really trying to grow my channel. Any help that you guys can give me would be much appreciated. Now let's jump into the video. Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're going to be talking about the Subaru Idle Relearn feature, which you're going to have to do if you unhook the battery because you might have installed something, like for instance a light bar. That's why I had to do this. My car wasn't running right for a couple of days and I couldn't really understand why it would do that just for me unhooking the battery. But as you may know, with some of the newer Subarus, I believe 06 and up, I could be wrong on that, they have an electronic throttle instead of a throttle with cables. So everything's controlled electronically, and I guess unhooking the battery can kind of mess that up for you sometimes. So we're going to go over the steps that you need to take to fix that. Some of the ways that you can diagnose this is maybe when you turn on your car, it just seems to be idling really low, or maybe when you put it in gear, in some cases the car can even shut off. Another big one that made me figure out what it was the engine code spit P0506, and that basically says that there's low voltage going to the IACV, which is the idle air control valve. Now, as I said before, everything's electronically controlled on this car, so that's going to mess up with your air fuel mixture and everything else like that, throttle position and all that stuff. So this is going to help you fix that, and I'll jump right in. Alright, so first things first, you're going to want to take off the negative terminal on the battery, or you can take off the positive terminal, but as you can see, sometimes moving all that rubber and stuff can be a pain. All you're going to need for that is, I believe, a 10mm socket. Just take that off, put it, I put mine down in here. Just make sure that it does not come in contact with the negative terminal of the battery, or else you're basically wasting your time waiting for it. After you get that unhooked, all you're going to want to do is wait about 30 minutes. All you're really trying to do is make sure that the throttle can reset itself without having any memory of where it was before, when you might have messed it up. All right, now after you've let the car sit for half an hour, you're going to want to come back and you're going to want to put that negative terminal back on, tighten it down, make sure that the battery has good contact. After you got that negative terminal back on, you're going to want to come in the car and you're going to want to make sure that all of the electronics are off. So make sure your radio's off, AC's off, everything is off except for the car, obviously. So when you put your key in, you're going to want to turn it once and then twice. This is going to put all of the electronics on in the car, which is what you want. Do not hit the throttle or anything, and you want to wait about 15 seconds after you turn it to the on position. After it's been 13 seconds, turn the car on. Do not touch the accelerator or anything. Touching the accelerator will mess up the throttle position, which is what you are trying to fix. Once your car's started, make sure everything's off again, and you're going to want to wait 10 minutes. Just let the car run. It's going to go through a bunch of adjustments to make sure that throttle's in the right position for the right air fuel mixture. After it's been 10 minutes, you're going to want to come back, turn off the car. I'd wait about 10 seconds before you start it again, just to make sure that you're not messing anything up. Same process, turn the key to the on position, wait 15 seconds, and then start the car. Do not touch the throttle. Once again, do not touch anything electronic in the car. And this time, all you're gonna have to do, wait about 5 minutes. It should have made most of the corrections during the first process, but if not, then it'll make all the last adjustments during this 5-minute period. After it's been 5 minutes, you can come back to your car, turn it off, wait about 10 seconds, and then turn it to the on position again. Wait about 10 seconds, go ahead and start your car. Everything should be going good right now. You should be able to go take your car for a test drive and make sure that everything's working fine. And if not, go ahead and repeat the process of taking your battery off and go through all the same steps that we just talked about. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel if this video helped you, and if not, maybe put in the comments what is going on. I might be able to help you diagnose maybe exactly what's happening with your specific car. You might need to clean the throttle body or maybe something else. So I'll be looking in the comments to help you guys out. See you guys in the next one.